Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Reggie, power mom with the 3 kids. So for today's video, I will be unboxing the this one that I have bought last night. So for today's knowledge, let's start to look what's inside in this box. I'm very excited because I need uh, to get one for this so that I can have a order uh wear clothes that are neat and tidy. So let's start. What's inside here? So this is, by the way, this is Philipps Steam Generator HI5920, faster ironing with extra steam. So actually this is when I got this is already an open I mean, it's not really sealed because but it's new, it's never been used, and uh I just bought it uh, in a very low price. It's just like 70 up to 70%. So I took advantage to buy this product because I know this is Philips is a good quality brand, and this product I will be using for the rest of my life here as a super mom. So okay, here's the stickers. You see, I mean, yeah, the how you how the I think this is the guide. So okay, I show you the parts. Yes, as you can see, this is not really sealed. But if ever there's something happening or it's not functioning, I can return this to the store because I get how you say that, I get guarantee receipt. You see, just keep this one. So what is inside here? First, we have the yeah, of course, the Ferdinand Anlaitong. How can you say this in English? It's a guide book. Yes. So, and then this is like I don't know what's this. I don't know what's this, guys. I must look at what's here inside because this is new to me. This is new to me. This is hard when you are unboxing and you don't know what the parts on it. So this, I guess this is like oh, where's the German or English? Wait, guys. Oh, where's the German? Oh, I must look at first the English one. So I guess this is the, I don't know, can you say this? Iron platform. I don't know what's the name on this. So I just see this, and then other things that from the Philips company, a choo-choo. It's not really important. So now this one is also in a bag. I must be very careful. I don't want to tear it up, because if ever it's not functioning, I can return it beautifully. So this is this. Yes, comes with a cord and of course a water tank. This is the ironing. This is the ironing. This one. Yes, this is the support tank for this iron thing. So and that's it. That could be all in this box. So yes, I bought it in a very low price. It's like 70%. That's why I took advantage to buy this thing, because at home I have not this kind of household machine for the house that helps you to make your household chores easier to make. So Yes, guys, that's it. That's my Philipps HI5920. That's my unboxing. And hope you guys love this. And if you want to get more updates of my YouTube channel, just click like and of course subscribe. Thank you so much, and soon I will be also showing you how to use this. Okay, have a nice day, guys, and thank you so much for watching for my YouTube. Happy Easter.